Right? So I'm gonna
Okay.
be talking about all the modules that we are gonna cover.
Sure.
Right? I'm sure you have
Okay.
already visited our website and you have already read about the course modules of digital.
To be precise, I just, went through the email that was sent to me. I did not, because yesterday only I had interacted with your team,
All right.
so didn't get
I
much
think Miss
time
Swati.
to go through the brochure.
All right.
Yeah, Swati was the one who was in touch with me. Yeah.
All right. So Pritika, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell you. You can see the screen as of now. uh,
Yeah.
you can see the screen. So what I'm going to do is
Yes.
I'm going to talk about all these 20 modules. This is going to give you a crisp idea
Okay.
like what this digital marketing is all about
Right.
and what all you will be
Okay.
learning in our program, right? So
Okay.
first,
That's good. Yeah.
this is when we take this program in the classroom, this usually is of 100 hours, right? But
Okay.
when the
Okay.
program is on, let's say you're opting in for the online modules or other stuff,
Right.
the sessions would
Right.
be around 30 sessions that we are going to be giving you.
Okay.
That will be
Okay.
precisely from 1 hour to 1.5 hours each.
So that will be like
That
30
will
hours.
that will be right around 45 hours, right?
If you say 1.5 hours, then 45
Yeah,
hours. So
45
how are
hours.
you going to, compensate the remaining? Like if I take
See,
a classroom training, it's going to be 100, and it's
no. This
you
this
offer
is
online, yeah.
this is what I'm going to explain you. See, we can also teach you 100 hours online. That is not a issue. But
Okay.
the problem is,
Okay.
since the online sessions, they are, let's say, there will be maximum number of attendings will be 5 people at a time, right? So
Okay.
5 people online, we can easily give you the details about the modules that are decided for that specific hour, right? But what
Okay.
happens in a class is, let's say you are having around 20 people in a class. So first, then they are coming late, and then they even want to practice it right away,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
there is
Yes. Which
no
is,
point.
yeah.
There is no point we giving you 100 hours. It will be very very monotonous,
Right. Right.
right?
Right. Fair.
So
Which is fair.
which is
So the
fair.
content and everything is same. Will be covered on the
Content will
same
be
pace. It's
same.
just that less of the queries and
Yeah,
more of
more
for
of the crisp
interaction.
things
Yeah.
will be
I
given
understood.
you, and plus the
Yeah.
recordings
Yeah.
will be shared with you. And
Great.
in case you have some doubts or other stuff and you want to visit the institute for some kind of ABC
Uh-huh.
queries, you are most
Uh-huh.
welcome. You can always come,
Okay.
right? So
Okay.
that option
Okay.
is
That's nice.
available.
Yeah.
That
Okay.
is, I was supposed to make you this thing clear in the first go itself.
Right.
So
Thanks.
next,
Yeah. Yeah. I actually wanted to ask that. Yeah.
yeah. So next stuff is we are gonna be starting with the first module. As you can see, digital marketing fundamentals. This works
Uh-huh.
like we are gonna be talking about the fundamentals of digital marketing. We usually start this by asking the attendees or whosoever is there in the class, like, what all do you know
Huh.
about digital marketing, right?
Okay.
So any kind of a touch points wherever the digital media is involved, that is the part of digital marketing. Be it your desktops, be it
Okay.
your mobiles, be it your iPads,
Okay.
even the TV
Okay.
advertisements are the part of the digital promotions. But
Okay.
in India, the digital TVs are not very much digitalized these
Right.
days. So
Right.
we keep
Right.
it exclusive. We don't include TV
Mm-hmm.
promotions as the part of digital, but it is a
Okay.
digital marketing medium itself,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes.
And
Yes.
in next module, we are going to be talking about what is website planning, designing, and creation.
Huh.
We usually
Okay.
recommend to our students, like, there is a website called as name.com. You can go on this site, you can buy a
Huh.
domain name in case you just want to have a
Right.
domain name of yours, right?
Huh.
Next, there is a website. Even you can do the hosting on this site as well. This name.com has a
Mm-hmm.
facility of hosting. Hosting is, you understand what is hosting?
Yes, yes. So we will have to purchase our own domain name, and we will have to do
Yeah.
like hosting has to be done by us only.
See, we'll be explaining you how you can do the hosting and stuff. But I usually
Right,
recommend students to purchase it on their own and to do the hosting on their
right.
own, because see, otherwise I am having more than 100 students enrolling with us on a monthly basis.
Mm-hmm.
So our
Right,
database goes very huge, and it becomes very troublesome for the students after 1 year to get their domain names back from the institutes and other stuff.
right,
So it
right,
is
right,
always
right.
advisable. It is your secure data. You keep it in your email
Huh.
IDs and you keep it with you only.
Hmm.
So this is
Huh.
usual. In case
Which
you
makes
need,
sense.
huh,
Yeah.
in case you need some help regarding how you can upload your site or how this hosting is to be
Uh-huh.
purchased, which are the good hosting options
Uh-huh.
available,
Huh.
we're always there to help, right?
Okay.
And how you have to do
Okay.
about this hosting. So this, no,
Right.
name.com is site that we're going to be using for the purchase of the domain names. Another site,
Okay.
good site is HostGator. We usually use this for the hosting
Uh-huh.
services. Hosting is nothing but
Okay.
the site's home, right? Wherever we are putting in the site's data, like
Right.
the text, images, PDF files, your forms, and
Right.
everything. So this is the
Mm-hmm.
place where you're gonna
Mm-hmm.
be putting in all this. So we have one
Right.
module. In this, we are gonna be learning about website domain name hosting. And have you ever created a site of your own?
Yes, I did. It was long back. I created a website for my cousin.
Using which
So
software?
I use I purchased the domain from Net for India,
All right.
and hosting was on their server, and then I used to upload things using Qt FTP
Okay,
on the
cute
website.
FTP. So we are gonna
Yeah,
be teaching you this website designing and creation with this module that you see, WordPress oblique blogging.
WordPress.
Right?
Okay,
WordPress is basically a blogging software. It is a very
right.
beautiful software available. You have thousands of themes to choose from. Even our site, this
Okay.
clickprefect.com, this is made on WordPress,
Uh-huh.
right? So there
Okay.
are thousands
Okay.
of themes available. What we are going to be teaching, your
Uh-huh.
first module will be the main module that we are going to
Hmm.
start is WordPress blogging itself. So this will teach you
Okay.
like how you can create your website. You'll be in a position
Uh-huh.
to make your own website. In case you want to
Okay.
make your own e-commerce website, there is a possibility using this WordPress.
Oh, great. That's great. So you're gonna be teaching us that, what things should be kept in mind while
Yeah,
designing a
yeah.
website.
How many pages you are
Whether
wanting?
how relevant is the content or images are more important. So where
Yeah,
how
yeah.
many pages? So all that sort of basic things and the necessary things
Everything will
would
be
be taught in
covered.
this module.
Yeah, in this WordPress,
Okay.
you will be in a good position to create your websites on your own, be it a e-commerce
Okay.
site or be it a routine site, a routine business site.
Okay.
This is a
Okay.
very, very useful and handy software, so you'll have no issues with
Right.
this, right?
Right.
Next module that we are gonna cover is this search engine optimization.
Okay.
In this, there are two main modules that are being covered. One is the on-page
Uh-huh.
optimization, other is the off-page optimization, right? This search
Okay.
engine optimization will basically teach you, let's say, you are on google.com. You've heard about this SEO in the past?
Yes, yes. The ranking of the website on Google
Yeah.
when you search on which page does it
Let's say
come. So the more content, more interactive your website, the better the ranking
the better
is.
the ranking is. So let's say I search
Yeah.
for this term buy car online. So I see these
Uh-huh.
results coming on the top. These are nothing but the organic
Right.
results, right? So we are going to be
Right.
teaching you
Right.
about the Google's guidelines that are there and what all you need to do in your
Okay.
website to get your site ranked on the page one,
Right.
right?
Right.
Google
Right.
keeps on
Right.
changing their search criterias on the very
Right.
frequent basis. So
Uh-huh.
you need to understand how Google works and what are the logics behind their
Okay.
algorithms. So all this will be taught in this
Okay.
module of SEO. You'll
Great.
have around 6 to 8 sessions online for this SEO module,
Uh-huh.
right? You're going to be having
Okay. For SEO alone.
alone, you'll be having your 8 sessions.
Okay.
All
Great.
right. So next module
Yeah.
that we are going to be touching upon is this search engine marketing or Google advertisements. When I searched for
Uh-huh.
this term buy car, I saw these ads. This yellow something is flashing. Ad is written. Another ad,
Right.
right?
Right. And
So there is a
yes.
software called as Google AdWords, right?
Right.
It is a comprehensive study in itself. It is a very beautiful software launched by Google. So you're going to be learning about this Google AdWords, how to get your advertisements out here. That is on the top. When you use this Google AdWords, you also learn like how you can put banners like this. Let's say I've opened this site, Hindustan Times. Can you see this banner on the top that is coming? Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Hear me?
Hello.
Can you hear me, Pritika? Pritika, can you hear me? All right, I think I can continue. Yeah. So I was hello.
Can you hear me, Shweta?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Pritika, I can hear
Hello.
you. Hello.
Shweta. Okay. Yeah, yeah, I can hear you now.
All right, all right. So I'll just continue.
Sure, great. So let's continue. Let's continue then.
Yeah. So I was talking about these Google advertisements, the module called as search engine marketing. Right, you're gonna be having around 6 sessions for this Google advertisements or search engine marketing module. In this, you're gonna be learning like how you can place your Google
Okay.
advertisements on the top. That is the kind of advertisements we are seeing out here, and how you can place these banners. The way I have opened this site, hindustantimes.com, so you see banners across the internet, right?
Right.
So you're going to be learning how you can place these
Right.
banners in all these sites. You'll be learning about this image ad creations as well as the uploading of these ads, right? So you will be
Okay.
creating these banners in
Okay.
multiple sizes and you will be able to upload them. So it is again a
Shweta,
yeah, tell me.
actually, I missed it in between because I could not hear you. So we were talking about the social media marketing, the ads that you were showing me on Google, right?
No, this is search
And this
engine
also
marketing.
includes the banners.
Yeah, this also includes the
Okay, so
banners,
we've
right?
jumped to search engine marketing.
Yeah. So I was talking
Yeah,
about this
search
only,
engine.
right? I was talking about this only, search engine marketing.
Right.
So this is a
Right.
module, Google AdWords. We'll be having around 6 to 7 sessions online again for this search engine marketing.
Okay.
These are the main
Okay.
modules that you're gonna be learning: search engine marketing and the search
I
engine.
missed this one. Can you just run me through again, quickly on this one?
Which
Because
one?
there
Search
was
engine
some,
marketing.
yes, what all will be covered in
All
it.
right. See, in this we are gonna be learning like what are the keywords. The way I have typed this buy car, right? And
Uh-huh.
I am seeing these
Yes.
ad how to place your advertisements
Right.
on the top, how to place your advertisements
Mm-hmm.
on the right hand side, right? So
Okay.
this yellow tab that you
Okay.
see. So we are gonna be learning this for
Okay.
Google as well as for the MSN
Huh.
Bing in case there is a need. Let's say you want to
Okay.
also target your advertisements on
Right.
MSN search engine. So we can also cover
Right.
those modules about Google as well as the
Okay.
MSN, right? So
Great. Okay.
next module is social media marketing. It,
Huh.
I'm sure you use Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn.
Right.
What all
Right.
social sites you use apart from these?
Twitter is there.
And
Then generally LinkedIn is there.
all right, and what else? Do you use? Have you
Facebook,
heard about this
LinkedIn.
site called as Pinterest?
Sorry, which one?
Pinterest, Pintrest.
Pinterest. Yes, I've heard about it, but never worked on it. Yes.
Yeah. So there are sites like Pinterest and Instagram. Now
Right.
what happens is, let's say we are so busy working with these Facebooks and social media sites, Twitter, etc. So we forget all these new websites that are popping up. There is a lot of image branding that
Mm-hmm.
happens in this Pinterest, right? So
Right.
we are gonna be talking about the old, that is Facebook, Twitters, and LinkedIn, as well as the new sites that are popping up. So we are going to be covering all
Okay.
this in the social media marketing module. In this, you will
Okay.
be learning. Let's
Okay.
say I have opened our this Click Perfect page, and can you see
Huh.
these advertisements on the right hand side?
Right.
Some wood furniture, some Agra
Yes.
hotel. So we are
Yes.
going to be
Yes.
learning
Yes.
how
Yes.
you
Yes.
can create these advertisements in Facebook and how you
Okay.
can upload them and how you can manage. There is again a lot of stuff that is attached to the advertisement creations. So we are going to be covering the
Uh-huh.
same in this social media marketing module.
Okay.
All
Okay.
right. Next is mobile
Okay.
marketing. I'm sure
Okay.
you must be using a smartphone or other stuff, and you must be using some kind
Yes.
of applications, etc. in the same. So, have you ever
Yes.
noticed? Let's say
Yes.
you are browsing through a game or stuff, and you see a small advertisement banner in the bottom,
Right.
right? So,
Yes.
we are gonna be learning
Yes.
how you can place those small banners in the small screens. That is mobile marketing, right?
Okay.
So this again will happen via the technology used in this search engine marketing or Google advertisement. There is a option available
Okay.
by which we can do the mobile advertising on a very large scale.
Okay.
All right. So this is again stuff.
Right.
This is picking up very fast for the simple reason we may or may not be carrying our desktops or laptops with us every time, but we do
Mm-hmm,
carry
mm-hmm.
our mobiles. So this is the
Phone. Right.
future. This is the future. So you should have to understand
Right.
these things, right?
Right. Right.
Another module that we have is email marketing.
Email marketing.
Are
Right.
you subscribed on Naukri.com by any chance?
Yeah.
So what happens
Who's
usually
not?
is,
Yeah.
yeah, you are. I asked this question, and most 95% of the students they are there on the Naukri.com. So
Yeah, Naukri monster is so common. Yeah.
so it's you are there. So what happens is you receive an email from them almost on a daily basis. Okay, dear Pritika, so and so
Right.
job. What is this? They are doing nothing but the email
Email.
marketing. So this is
Hmm.
we are gonna be learning
Hmm.
about the softwares that are available. The software that we use
Uh-huh.
internally is this Aweber, right? So what we
Okay.
do is using this sort this is a paid software that we have purchased since you will be managing a database of large number of students for your organization and other stuff. So it
Right.
is gonna be a software that we usually use, and you are gonna be learning like how you can send these bulk mailers to the audiences whosoever is
Okay.
subscribed to your database. And the beauty of
Okay.
these softwares is your emails would land in the inbox but not on the spam mails and
Okay.
stuff. So we are gonna be learning
Okay.
about this.
Okay.
So you will
So
be
then we can also track the open percentage and
yeah,
everything
yeah,
through
yeah.
the software.
Everything you can track, like how many mails
Okay.
you have shooted and how many people have actually opened.
How
What is
many
the
bounced,
count?
how many received, open,
Yeah,
everything. All the data would be available.
yeah. So
So I believe my colleague used to do it through Gmail. So they had everything on a Google account,
all right.
and they could see all the reports in Google itself. So is it possible that we do it through Google, or how he used to present that report?
They were using this Gmail for, and how were you designing these mailers?
He like I wanted to see the open percentage, so he gave me some login
Mm-hmm.
on Google, like Gmail. That was a Gmail account
Mm-hmm.
where I could see all the details, which all adverts was the search keywords I was using, what
Mm-hmm.
was the result it was giving, and for email campaigns also, that if I send out, let's say, 1,000 emails, what was the
Mm-hmm.
bounce rate,
All
how
right.
many were clicked, and how many were opened.
I'll
So
just show
is
you.
it
Yeah,
possible
yeah.
through?
This is possible via this. So what we do is, let's say this is the dummy account that I use while training. So let's say this 10
uh,
winners and losers of social media marketing was shooted to 306 people, right? So you can actually
uh,
see how many are open, how many are clicked, bounce, and what are the
uh,
counted. So you'll be able to see all these reports as well, right? And
Okay.
plus there is an option,
Right.
let's say you want to create all these mailers. So I'm going to show you how this
Huh.
works. Let's say I'm going to choose this drag and drop email builder, right?
Huh.
I'll just show you a dummy page so that you have an idea what all you are going to be learning.
Okay.
Let me just open this.
My the question main question was that is it possible that we do it through Google as well, email campaigns and all, or we have to take a support of a
No, no, no,
software
no,
only?
no. We usually take a support of a software. If he was doing it via
Okay.
Google, how that is possible is we usually there is an option by which we can send emails to the bulk people using the
Huh?
emailing services. That option is available, but via Google, I'll have to check like which software was he exactly using, because at the
Okay.
back end there
Okay.
from the server's end there is some software that he is using, right?
Okay. Okay. Not
So
a
in
problem.
case you can give me that server name, I can actually tell you what exactly he is doing.
I'll have to check with him and I'll let you know.
All right. So like this,
Okay.
there are a lot of again these. Where was I? I have opened these messages and I have opened this broadcast.
Email
So
builder.
yeah,
Huh, huh,
so there
huh,
is a lot of designing options available. You can actually choose which theme you want. Just drag and drop, change the images, and your
Mm-hmm.
mailer will be ready. Right. So we are gonna be
Okay.
learning about all this entire software in this course module. You will be having around 2 sessions for this email marketing.
Hmm.
All right. So
Okay.
next
Okay.
module that is of YouTube marketing. Do you use
Okay.
YouTube's for the promotion of your college
Yeah,
stuff?
I watched a lot of videos. I've subscribed to a lot of channels as well.
No, no. Do you use this for the promotion of your college and other stuff?
Yes, yes, we have a group on YouTube as well for the college, wherein we have, testimonials of the student,
Yeah.
videos by the faculties about our courses, marketing
Yeah.
campaigns. We have it all. Yeah.
So what we can do is we can like this is our channel. So what you can do is you can create your channels like this. You can upload these videos,
Okay.
and you start. Let's say some
Okay.
is having 200 views, some is 20 views. So You can start
Uh-huh.
getting some views on your this video has worked well, this has
Okay.
440. So like this we usually
Okay.
create these videos, we upload them, and we actually see like which video is performing good and video is not. The best part of
Okay.
videos is there is a lot of recall value that is there, because once a student,
What? Come again?
there is a lot of recalling
What
value.
value?
Recalling,
Acha.
let's say
Okay.
you
Okay.
have just seen a text and you have seen a video. So the
Huh.
recall value in these videos is a little more when compared to the text.
Okay.
Let's say if a person has just viewed
Right.
the text, let's say this is our marketing video
Yes.
that we
Yes.
use, this has more than 7,000 views. So again it varies
Right.
from video, so you'll be creating multiple, so there are again do's and don'ts, and there are softwares by
Uh-huh.
which you can create these videos. We are going to be learning about these softwares as well. Let's say you want
Okay.
to create these
Okay.
kind of animated videos, so you are going to
Huh.
be learning
Right.
about these softwares as well. All right.
Great. That's great. Yeah.
So next module is on digital display advertisements. So let's say I'm on this
Okay.
site called as Hindustan Times, or you can, let's say you're surfing at the entire web and you see a lot many sites are there. You see a lot many banners,
Huh.
right? So we
Right.
are gonna, let's say I usually read this site a lot, Mashable.com, and
Huh.
once you enroll, you have
Huh.
opened this site Mashable.com earlier.
No, no, never. No.
See, this is a very interesting website in case you want to enter
Okay.
into this domain of digital marketing, because you'll be finding all these digital marketing news in this site. Right? There
Okay.
are tabs
Okay.
like must read, social media tabs are there. So, what is Facebook
Oh,
doing?
nice.
Technology
Huh,
related,
huh,
business
huh,
related. So, very interesting. So, I always recommend this to
huh.
all my
Right.
students. Right? So, you have
Huh,
to
huh, huh.
subscribe to these multiple number of sites,
Surely.
right? So this is a very interesting
Yeah.
website. Just open it, and there is
Okay.
another. I'll just be showing you another site. So like these banners that you are seeing, we're gonna be learning how we can
Huh.
upload these digital display banners in this module, digital
Okay.
display banner
Okay.
advertisements, right?
Okay. Okay.
Next, we have a module called as Google Analytics.
Google.
You've heard about this?
Right.
I'm sure you must be using this.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So there is again a lot attached to this Google Analytics modules. We are going to be having around 4 sessions for the same, right? And
Okay.
what this analytics is going to teach you is like you have a website, you're doing all these kind of a promotions on your website. Now at the end
Mm-hmm.
you want to know like how many people have visited your website, from which part of the country are they
Right.
coming. So all this measurement
Right.
part or the postmortem of your website will be done in this Google Analytics, right?
Right. Okay.
So this is again a in-depth module that we're going to be learning. Now I'm going to
So the
cover.
Google Analytics also covers the search keywords that are working and
Yes,
which are
yes,
not
yes,
working,
yes, yes, yes.
right?
Everything will be covered.
Okay.
Even you can connect your
Okay.
this Google advertisements account to this Google Analytics so that you can see how many organic clicks are coming and how many paid clicks are coming.
Paid leads are coming.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So there is a lot that you can do
Okay.
via this Google Analytics.
Right.
Now I'm gonna
Right.
cover three modules together. One is this Google AdSense, right? This
Huh.
Google AdSense. Another is this
Right.
affiliate marketing,
Affiliate.
and
Right.
next is this earn money as a freelancer. These
Right.
three modules in combination are gonna teach you like how you can make money online, right?
Right.
Google AdSense, let's
Right.
say how Google AdSense works is, let's say this Mashable is not Mashable, but it's your site, right? And this
Okay.
banner is coming on your site, and if I come to your site and I
Okay.
click on this banner, right?
Okay.
So since this is a Google ad that is coming, so you're gonna be, Google is gonna give you some part of this click that Google is earning.
Acha.
That is how you can make
Okay.
money is via this Google AdSense module is what we are gonna be teaching you, right?
Okay.
So
But why would they be advertising on my website?
because no,
How is that possible?
that is possible via this module. Google has this model called as Google AdSense, which says it is
Okay.
open to all and everyone. You can just apply for this Google
Okay.
AdSense account, and
Acha.
Google will give
Acha.
you an approvals so that you can post these
Okay.
banners on your site, right?
Right.
Why
Right.
Google has
Right.
opened up this, because see on internet you never know, because how
Mm-hmm.
it works is, let's say I am good at cooking and I want to write about a blog about cooking. So probably my
Right.
blog is having millions of visitors. Now Google want to monetize this entire
Right.
stuff, right? So let's say you are
Ha
good
ha
with
ha.
swimming, or you have your own let's say I want to write something about digital marketing or another stuff.
Ha.
So my blog is
Ha.
getting its own chunk of visitors. Now Google says, why not show the
Okay.
advertisement and monetize this? It will be in favor of the
Right.
blogger, right? So as a site owner, you would want to earn some stuff from your website, so you can place these Google advertisements, right? So
Uh-huh.
so your first step will be getting approval of your Google AdSense account, and then getting these codes from
Okay.
Google, placing it on your website,
Okay.
and you are good to go. You can start earning from
Okay.
your website. Next is
Okay.
affiliate marketing. You know what is affiliate marketing? Some stuff, or have you heard
No,
about?
I've heard about it, but I do not have any idea about it.
All right. See how this works is I'll just show you another site that I've just created few days back.
Uh,
See all these shopping portals and other stuff, right? When once you just open these sites, in the bottom you see a tab called as Be an Affiliate. Can you see this Be an Affiliate
what?
tab? I have opened
Huh.
this site Snapdeal, and I can you see this tab
Uh-huh.
Be an Affiliate. So this
Be an affiliate, yeah.
yeah. So or you join their affiliate or be an affiliate. How this works is uh, what you do is you just become an affiliate for the Snapdeal, and you Snapdeal will be giving you certain kind of a code. You paste this
Okay.
specific code on your website, and you can show these all these banners that are there on this Snapdeal. You can even show these banners on your site, and if a sale would happen,
Oh, okay.
the Snapdeal would share their commissions.
Okay.
Let's say you are let's say there is a banner of uh, let's say this bed sheet on your specific
Huh.
site, and I visit your site, I
Uh-huh.
click on that, and I make a purchase. So Snapdeal is gonna give you 10%, 12% of this share,
Acha.
whatever sale is happening. So this basically teaches like
Okay.
how you can earn money online. So I have just created this site few days back. So this is
Uh-huh.
universalcoupon.in. How it works is, let's say a person would come on to my site and he would click on this, right? So
Uh,
people are, they get redirected from my site. I am on universal coupon, and once I click on this,
mm-hmm.
let me just
Uh,
open it. So you get redirected to their own affiliate sites. You go on to these
right.
sites. Let's say I'm being redirected to this Flipkart now, right? The
Uh-huh.
moment I'll click, I'll go on this flipkart.com. There is my affiliate ID coming, that is world only. So if you make
Right.
any kind of a shopping from Flipkart, I'll be earning my commissions. This is how it works. The
Okay.
basic logic is this. So we are going to be teaching
Fine.
you what all affiliate sites are available on internet,
Okay.
and how you can become the affiliate, how you can post all these banners,
Right.
right? So
Okay.
there is again a lot of stuff that is attached to this affiliate marketing. We are going to be teaching you
Uh-huh.
how you can place these banners, what happens, what is a
Uh-huh.
click, what is a CTR, what is an impression, what is how many conversions is
Okay.
happening. So again, this
Right.
entire module will take around 4 to 6 sessions, depending upon your
Okay.
learning capacity,
Capable. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
again, these three modules, I talked about this Google AdSense, affiliate, and the
Uh,
earn money as
affiliate.
a freelancer. These three are gonna be teaching you how you can make money from the
Right.
internet. So when once you open
Okay.
our site, there is a tab called as Make Money Online as well. So in
Mm-hmm.
this specific module, we teach just these strategies, like how you can monetize the web,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So this is done. I've already talked about WordPress blogging in the first stuff that we were talking.
Right. Right.
Next is content marketing. Content marketing, we are
Uh-huh.
gonna be learning like how you can market. One way is you are just gonna be telling, okay, this is a specific product, you buy this product, right? And
Huh.
another way of
Huh.
telling people about your product is, we are going to be telling about the benefits of the product. We are going to be showing you the
Okay.
videos. We are going to be talking around the product in multiple number of manners. So
Okay.
this is a 2 session module, that is on internet,
Huh.
how you can create the content that is worth for your product, and how you can actually
Okay.
start selling your stuff, right?
Right.
Next
Right.
is e-commerce promotions. Do you do any kind of a e-commerce shopping online and stuff?
Yeah. Yeah.
Which
I've
all
done a
sites
lot through
you're gonna?
Flipkart, Jabong. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of addictive. So we are
Yes.
gonna
Once you
be,
do it, you can't stop. Yeah.
yeah. Then you keep on checking the other products that are available, and
Right.
you get hooked to it. So we are gonna be
I know.
learning, right? Uh, what is the e-commerce promotion? Now the difference between a e-commerce promotion and a routine promotion is, in
Huh.
e-commerce we have multiple number of products. Let's say I take an example
Huh.
of Snapdeal. So Snapdeal is having
Huh.
thousands of product, and they are going to give importance to each of these categories, and then the subcategories and the product, each SKU is to be given an importance. So we are going to be learning how we
Huh.
can do the promotions in a bulk for a website, let's say it's very easy to promote a website with few products, but once you're working on an e-commerce site, the strategies totally change, right? So we
Okay.
are going to be learning about this e-commerce promotions. This is our in-house
Mm-hmm.
e-commerce site that we have with the name V11 shop. We sell these handbags and
Okay.
other stuff. So
Okay.
this is our in-house only,
Okay.
this site. So
Okay.
in case you want to work on the sites like this, we can
So you
always,
will help me understand how I can make a website like this, an e-commerce website.
yeah, there is a
Like you
module.
mentioned earlier, through
So
WordPress, we can
WordPress.
do that.
Yeah, you can create. So let's
Okay.
say in the beginning of the sessions only, whosoever is taking your session, me or the other trainer, you have to tell
Huh.
them, okay, I am interested in the e-commerce site. So we are gonna be talking about the e-commerce site creations.
So
Let's
I
say
would want to learn both, a normal one and especially in e-commerce. Like the trend right now, e-commerce is
it's
coming
picking
up
up.
like anything.
Yeah, it's picking up.
Yeah. So would both be covered or not?
Yeah, we can always
If I
cover. What
want
we
to.
can do is we can teach you one in the classroom session, and then we can always
Huh.
suggest you a theme for the e-commerce. In case you're facing some
हाँ,
issues in the e-commerce theme, we can work on the same. Right?
अच्छा
So it
ठीक
has
है.
to be a two-way process.
Okay.
You do a lot of like uploading and stuff of this e-commerce themes on your own, and in case you are facing some issues in the theme customization, we can help you with the
हाँ
same.
हाँ.
Right?
Fine.
E-commerce, that is just a change of the theme. We can always teach you.
Okay.
Next is
Okay.
online lead generation. Lead is nothing,
Leave.
let's say a form filled on your website or a sale happening,
हाँ
any stuff by
हाँ
which a customer
हाँ.
is getting hooked to a website, that becomes a lead. So
Hmm.
there are modules
हाँ.
attached to it, like what all you can do for the creation. Let's say on this website of ours, clickprefect.com, we have attached this form, right? So that
Landing
people,
page.
landing page, we have attached this
Are these
form.
called the landing page?
Yes, this is our landing page,
Okay. Yeah.
because we are giving the maximum information on this page. There is a
हाँ
form that students can use to actually get in touch with us. A lot of information about the
हाँ
upcoming demos, new batch date, our videos, modules,
हाँ
everything is there.
हाँ
So this is a good example
हाँ.
of a landing page wherein you
Okay.
can give the entire information to your audience. The landing pages, they
Okay.
can be crisp and very short. Let's say you just want to gather the email IDs. Let's say
So
some
you're gonna cover landing pages, like what
yes,
all content is necessary on a landing page
yes,
and
yes.
how it is linked to your website and how do
Yes,
you
that
advertise it.
again is covered in this online lead generation module,
Okay.
right?
Okay. But does
Next,
that include technical thing? Because you have a landing page and then you have your own website. How are you gonna
yes, yes,
connect and track it?
yes,
So
yes,
how
yes.
much technical thing is involved in that?
See, in this, how we usually work is in the first go, we are gonna be, let's say, first you understand what is a website and other stuff. Next is now there is
Huh,
a specific product that you want to promote online.
huh,
So, and you want to design a specific landing page for the same. So we are gonna be
huh,
recommending you, okay, these are the particular themes that you can use for your
huh,
specific product promotions, and these are the do's and don'ts
huh.
of your landing page, and how we are connecting your landing page, how we are uploading this landing page in your main site, and how we are tracking this via this Google Analytics.
Right.
So all these things
Okay.
will be covered. You don't have to worry for this.
No, what I meant was a lot of coding would be involved to link your landing page to your website.
That is gonna be taught to you. That a lot of coding is not involved in that. So by using this
Okay, fine.
WordPress module, we are gonna be
Huh.
covering upon all the coding that we usually use. Just the some stuff is left that we are gonna be teaching you. Right? So
ठीक है.
once we learn making sites via this WordPress, a lot of coding part gets detached from it.
How about we do not take help of WordPress and then we have a website? Because I'm sure WordPress must be giving a lot of tools to connect your landing page to your website and do a
Yes,
lot of other things on the website.
a lot of
But what
tools
if,
are
like,
available.
as
A
yeah,
lot of tools are available, and you can actually
huh,
work. We are going to be teaching you how you can connect your website via web page and other stuff,
अच्छा, ठीक है.
right? So you don't have to
Okay,
worry. Your question was, okay, there is a specific landing page and how we can connect that to a site. That is going to be taught to
right.
you,
Okay,
right? So another module that we're going to be covering is online reputation management. This,
okay.
you understand what is this ORM
Huh.
stuff?
No, no.
See, ORM is basically like, let's say I've used some service in some hotel, or I visited some place for having a food and stuff,
Huh.
and I really liked
Hmm.
it or I disliked it. Both ways, I go online and I
अच्छा.
start commenting. So
Reviews.
yeah,
हाँ हाँ
reviews.
हाँ
So
हाँ.
you have to maintain
Okay.
the reputation of your brand, your website, your product
Right.
on the internet,
Right.
let's say there is some unsatisfied customer is there, so you have to make sure you
Hmm.
have to just call that customer, make him or her satisfied, because there is a
Right,
reason why he
right,
is not satisfied. This one
right.
wrong comment can affect your website in a large manner, so you have to actually build up your this reputation on the internet, and you have to keep a track about all the good as well as the bad comments coming on the internet,
Huh, huh.
right? So next
Right.
module that I see is earn money as a freelancer. I've already talked about the
We've
same,
covered that.
right? So next is new and emerging advertising channels. In this, we are gonna be covering
Huh.
modules like Pinterest as well as the Instagram. And if there is
Okay.
some new social site that is coming up and you think we should be covering that, you can always tell us. So any other new
Okay.
emerging advertising channel if it pops in, so we are gonna be covering the
Huh.
same. The last module that we
Okay.
have is create a digital marketing strategy.
Strategy.
Yeah, how this works is, now you know all these 20 modules of this
Huh.
digital advertisement. So at the end,
Hmm.
as a site owner or as an advertiser, you would want to find out like which strategies are working good for your site, whether you want to use the
Right.
Google advertisements over Facebook
Mm-hmm.
advertisement, that is we are going to be covering
Hmm.
the social media. So we are
Okay.
going to be telling you the benefits as well as the demerits of all
Uh-huh.
these digital marketing
Hmm.
strategies.
Right.
Just
Right.
recently, one of our student, he has done the comparison between three shopping portals, between Snapdeal, Flipkart, and one
Okay.
more, Amazon, I think. So he has done it to
Uh-huh.
do the strategy comparison. Okay, Snapdeal is using this and this technique. They are more active on TV. They are less active on Google AdWords, and how they are strategizing their
Acha.
budgets. So, as a
Okay.
website owner
Okay.
or as a site developer, you are supposed to know what are the strategies that you're going to be using,
Right.
whether email marketing is working
Uh-huh.
good for you or the Google Ads or
Right.
YouTube promotion. So this
Uh-huh.
will be your last module. Another
Okay.
thing, Pritika,
Okay.
all these 20 modules, wherever it is applicable, we are gonna be sharing the case studies with you. Let's say you have covered
Okay.
Google AdWords, so we are gonna be sharing Google AdWords case studies. You can always go through those case studies, and we can discuss them in
Mm-hmm.
case there is a need, right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
this is
Okay.
about it. We are gonna be having around
Uh-huh.
45 hours of training approximately online. This can be
Mm-hmm.
plus minus 5 hours, of course. And in
Right.
case
Right.
after the
Right.
completion of the course you want to visit the institute or in between for any kind of a doubt session
Uh-huh.
and other stuff, because once or
That's
twice
possible.
it's
Yeah.
that option is available. You can always walk in.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Okay. And as Swati told me that you would be even you've mentioned that you would be giving me all the recorded sessions that we're gonna have online.
Yeah, all these sessions will be
Secondly,
shared.
there'll be a book that you would be providing to
Yeah,
me,
we
right?
usually have four. We have five books, but I'm saying it four because one book that is a little outdated for the Google AdWords because they have just changed their entire stuff. So four
Mm-hmm.
hard copies will be given to you, and one that is of Google AdWords or SEM. We are gonna be sharing the soft copy PDF with you.
Okay, not a
All right.
problem. Not a problem. And what else? Like once I complete the course, what is the support that I can expect
See,
after?
I'll just tell you how this works is you're going to be given one enrollment ID at the time of enrollment. So let's say once you are through
Huh?
with this 45 hours and you need some kind of a support from our end. So we are always there to help you
Huh?
in case you are looking for a job hopping or another job change. You can always send us your
Okay.
updated CV, right? And we are going
Huh?
to be forwarding your CV to the multiple number of
No,
good.
not in terms of the jobs. I'm asking in case in future I have queries. Let's say, I
Yeah,
start implementing these things, which obviously I will. That's why I'm enrolling.
I'm just telling you
So
about.
once I start implementing live, so if I need a support, how open are you to the
See,
queries, and is there a time
no,
frame?
no, no. There is a 1 year time frame that we usually recommend to every student. Within 1 year, you
Huh?
are supposed to complete your course. That is the first thing. Second is, let's say there is some query after the completion, and let's say you're building up your site on WordPress and you're facing some kind of a queries.
Huh?
So you can always write back to us, or you can call up and you can fix up an appointment either online or offline, either ways. And we
Acha.
are gonna be sorting your queries. Plus, after
That's
one
what I'm more
another
interested in.
thing, after 1 year, if there is some query that you are being that is there in your website and other stuff, you can always drop us an email, and that query gets sorted within 48 hours from our end. Even after
Okay,
1 year,
so
there
I
is a
hope that
support.
kind of assistance. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
that was I. That's
that
what I'm
option
more
is
interested
available. So we are gonna be sharing our
in.
email ID info@clickprefect.com. That is open for any kind of a queries to all our students.
Okay,
Even after
okay,
1 year, that support is available.
Okay,
All
fine.
right.
That's fine.
And
Yeah, yeah, that's
any other issues that you have about the batch timings
no.
and
As of now, I don't have. Only thing that I'm concerned about is that as I'm a working professional, I go to Gurgaon.
mm-hmm.
So it won't be possible for me to take a classroom training because earlier I had a, I don't know how, but I was aware that you have a center in Preet Vihar as well.
No, no,
I
no,
live
no,
in
no,
Vivek Vihar, East Delhi. So
no, no.
yesterday Swati cleared, she told me that you only have a center in Rajouri Garden. So it
Yeah,
won't be feasible for me to visit to have classroom trainings.
you can always
So
visit us
I'm on.
in case you just want to come for a meeting and other stuff. You can always come once or twice, just to have an idea, okay,
Yes,
where you're
yes,
gonna be learning and stuff. So you're more than
right,
welcome. You
right.
can just visit us. You do the enrollments after visiting us, and then possibly we can start off your
Are you
sessions.
open on Sundays as well?
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
I
we are
might
open.
visit. I might have to come to Rajouri tomorrow. So
All
in
right.
case if you guys are open, I would like to meet you face to
Yeah, yeah,
face
we are
and
open. You can
would
come
take
to.
you.
You can come tomorrow anytime. I'll be available from morning
Okay,
11
and
o'clock to
secondly,
from morning
okay,
11 to 5.
okay,
I am available.
fine. That will be great because I would be coming. I think post lunch only I'll be there.
That's okay.
Second thing is that how are the online sessions conducted? Like just now through GoToMeeting?
Yeah, via GoToMeeting, because in this screen sharing option is available. We can always get
Yeah,
the
this is the
recording,
best. Yeah, 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 yeah. Agreed, agreed,
right?
agreed.
So why
So
I have not kept the sessions for 2 hours or 3 hours, because it's very boring for the students. Trust me.
yeah,
Even the
yeah,
trainer
it
gets
can be.
bored, because trainer gets bored because he's seeing
Right.
that screen. Because in a classroom it is very joyful.
Yeah.
You can always talk. You can
Yes.
because
Agreed.
online I think
Agreed.
1.5 hour is more than enough. Trust me.
More than enough. Right,
Yeah.
right, 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 right.
All right, and in
Acha,
this session,
how?
you'll be having around, let's say, 4 to 5 people at max for your online sessions,
Okay.
right?
Okay, that's better. That's the kind of training sessions I was
And
looking
usually, what
forward to.
I do while trainings is, I'm just telling you, in this 4 to 5 people are, let's say, 4 to 5 people are there in the class. So I'm gonna be taking up the entire session. I would want to keep all four of you muted, and after, let's say, 40 minutes or
Hmm.
50 minutes, I would turn in on for the query session, so that
Right,
whatever
right.
doubts you.
Otherwise, it doesn't make sense. We would be interrupting you in between, then the
Yeah,
flow gets, you
yeah,
break the flow.
yeah,
So, which is fine, fair.
yeah.
Yeah. So, my next thing was that I want to complete the course ASAP
Mm-hmm.
because right now, recently, I have changed my profile and I want to complete this. And it's
Okay.
good to know that it will be like for 45 hours plus minus 2 3 hours.
Yeah.
And can we have like how often the sessions are going to be?
See, I usually prefer 3 sessions per week. Three
Right.
sessions per week. We can schedule it on, let's say, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So it will be 3 sessions per
Okay.
week. So timings I'll have to check with the my availability, because I'm not very sure about the new batch timings that we have announced. So I'll check,
Uh-huh.
possibly, if in case you're coming tomorrow, I'll check it and I'll inform you by tomorrow.
Huh, not a problem.
Are you okay
I
with the
am still not
afternoon time,
sure.
or you want the evening timings?
I see. I want to know. I see if I'm not busy in office, I can take up any time,
All
right?
right. Mm-hmm.
So most probably, if it's okay with you during, I'm sure that you will want, you also have your lunch hour. So,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. You need to figure out a time. Maybe in evening. Then evening will be like little late because I'm not only considering myself, but if there are other working professionals who you wanna
Mm-hmm.
club in a group for
See,
online training
evenings is
sessions,
six
they all
o'clock.
would be traveling.
Yeah, so 6 to 8 is not a good time because of the traveling and other stuff. So it either
Right,
happens because
right.
a recording session can happen after 8. But if you want to have a routine
Uh,
session, that would be somewhere in the, because the request that I have received earlier, we have conducted trainings in the lunch hours. That is from 1 to
ha,
2:30
lunch
and
hours.
stuff.
That would be best. That's what I wanted to say. That lunch hours would be the best time to conduct the
Yeah,
trainings.
because I have received previous requests as well. So that female, her name is Swati. She has recommended
Uh-huh.
me the timing of 1 to 2:30, and that was quite feasible with me as well. So I kind of agreed
So
with the
count me in if that is possible. I would love to have
1 to 2:30. I think
during the
that is a
lunch
good.
hours.
All right.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what we are gonna do is, you just come to the institute tomorrow, and then we'll be discussing about the training.
Yeah, I am trying my best to visit you tomorrow. Secondly, I would want to know the fees of this entire
Kritika, for
program.
fees and other stuff, are you okay if I connect you to some other person via phone in few hours?
Sure, sure, sure,
Right?
sure,
I'll
sure.
just
Not a
connect.
problem. Not a problem.
All
Not a
right.
problem. Thank
All
you.
right.
Thanks a lot, Shilpa.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye. Take. Bye. Bye.
हाँ जी, जस्ट डन। हाँ बताओ। सरदार जी का है। मैं 1 मिनट आती, 1 मिनट। नो नहीं, मुझे क्या करना है, मैं भी ले लूंगी एक आधा और क्या। तो ले लूँ तेरे लिए, मैंने हाँ एक लिया, दो लो, ये पूछ लो। दो ले ले। दो ले लूँ, दो या तीन? दो बहुत है, इतना कहाँ खाते हैं। सब स्टूडेंट्स ने लिए हैं। हाँ 12 आज लास्ट वैलिड है। अच्छा, तीन और ले लूँ। ले ले दो तीन, हाँ।